Okay, so if you forget your iPhone or iPad passcode lock and you can't remember that, or if your child is wrong try many time and then your iPhone is now unavailable, so we can easily reset our iPad and remove the lock. So how we can do that? Alright, so you can see my computer screen and you directly come to this page on your browser. The link is given in the description and this is the tool what we use today to reset our iPad or iPhone. So there have lot of feature. You just come to this page and click the free download option and then download it. I already complete the download process. Now I just double click and open. And there you see there have lot of functionality. There you can bypass MDM, you can bypass activation lock and many things. But in this video we are going to unlock the iOS screen. So click the start button and now you can see the instruction how to connect your phone on recovery mode on iPhone, and the right side you can choose the iPad and then you see the instruction on this page. So for today we are resetting on iPad. So now I just try to connect my cable first, and then there is showing I have to one press volume up button, one press volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the phone goes to recovery mode. But some of the devices not work this, then you can try the second method. That is, you have to press and hold volume up and the power button together. Okay, pressing together, and then one hand you have to swipe and power off manually, but keep holding the power button until your phone goes to recovery mode. I just release the volume up button but keep holding the power button. So the Apple logo appears. Okay, so this is recovery mode. Now your phone is connected with tool, and if you click the download option, then the firmware automatically detect and download it on your computer and start removing process. But I prefer the manual process. The manual process also very easy. Below you can see the copy link option. Just click here to copy link. Now open a browser and paste the link. And after that you have to select the location where you have to download and select it. Now it start downloading. Here you can download the file faster. I already complete the downloading process, so I back from here and directly select the file. So now I just select the location where I downloaded the firmware. So I select it and click start remove. So right now the process takes 5 to 7 minutes, but I just faster this footage to reduce the video length, but for you have to wait 5 to 7 minutes, and then when the tool show it successfully remove the passcode, then you can remove the cable and start the setup process. So wait until that. Alright, so the tool is showing our screen lock removed successfully. So now we have to wait some time to open the setup menu on your iPhone or iPad. So wait a moment, and then you will see the welcome notes after resetting the iPhone. There is hello screen. Now just swipe up and then select the language and the country, and after that I think everybody can understand how to set up this process. This is very and simple setuping process. So here a simple things I have to mention, that is after connect Wi-Fi it will be ask your Apple account if you already logged in the Apple account before reset. So I don't have any Apple account on this device, so after reset it will not ask any Apple account. But if your iPad already have a Apple account logged in before resetting, so you must have to put that, otherwise you have to same setup like me. So That's it. I think everybody can understand how I do the process. So finally, if you need this software, so this is the right time. There is going a very big discount offer. You just check the video description link and come to this page. So thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tata.